Hello everybody and welcome back to Columbus Aviation and welcome back to Airport CEO. This is my tutorial airport where in the last episode we built these de-icing pads and I taught you guys how to build a de-icing system. So now in this episode I'm going to teach you guys how to do catering. So I'm noticing that these people are probably pretty hungry. I don't have any shops in my airport, so they definitely, I do actually. But they're probably pretty hungry, right? So we're going to want to be able to cater their flights up for them. So let's see what we've got going on here. And I want to just check out the airlines really quickly, see if there are any cool airlines to get. I don't see why not. Yeah, I'm just going to get WestJet and, you know, see where we go from there. I'll also grab Contour. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into your operations tab and go into the R&D projects and then research catering. Okay, so yeah, you will need the commercial license, medium aircraft permit, and extended commercial license to be able to have catering at your airport. So the second thing you want to do is to go into your aircraft infrastructure menu. It's the one with like all of the runways and stands and stuff. And you will just place down a catering depot in a place where it can be accessed from both the public side on public roads like this, how it is there, and service roads. So it's actually going to go across both your public and airside areas. And I'm gonna put a fence up to it, but you will want to have it enclosed by your fences. So once you have that, you're almost there basically. You're going to want to go and make sure you've got enough parking spaces, and you're gonna want to go and make sure you get enough catering trucks for your stands. So I'm gonna get 2 since I have 2 medium stands, and here they come into my airport. Where are they going? Where in the world are they going? Why are they going over there? Alright, they should be going in. The next thing you have to do is go into your offered contracts and then to catering food suppliers. If you have a 3-star airport, you'll only get Happy Pig and Conway, but since I've got 4 stars currently, I'm going to take Sky Garden. And that's just about it. There's not much more to it. You'll see these trucks coming and delivering food to your catering depot. Like that, and then once that happens, you'll have food stored in the depot. Depot is now full, I believe. And then the catering trucks will eventually. I'm gonna turn the catering service on in the operations in the operations menu, sub menu, airport control panel. Then once that's on, the next flight should be able to get catered. I don't know if this one wants catering. Let's see. It does not. Your catering trucks will leave the vehicle depot and they will go to your catering depot and they will get filled up with food. You can see the little carts going in. I've never noticed that actually, that it's actual carts. And then, like the galley carts, and then it will drive down to a stand and hook up to a plane. And then you'll make money from, I'm not getting money because I've got sandbox mode on, but you will make money from it filling up the plane. And then yeah, so let's see that happen one more time. Ooh, okay, we've got an Air Canada A220 that's actually not requesting catering, so that actually will do it for today for us guys. That's all you have to do to get catering. It's a pretty simple setup for catering. Honestly, it's one of the easier ones in the game. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe. Columbus Aviation signing out.